Alright guys, so right now we are looking at the Sonata.
Wow.
Okay girl, you cute. So guys, this is really cute. Guys, she always ranking my Altima. Yes, I got the baby mama card. Don't do me.
Load it up, Carl. Carl.
Looking at your smile every day make me happy. I'ma pick you up if you fall, do it gladly. Give you all my love, show you love, you my family. Whoa. Karissa and Sally, in my family. Karissa and Sally, they make me happy. Karissa and Sally, we a family. Karissa and Sally,
Load it up, Carl. Carl.
What's poppin' Cam Fam? It's your girl Sally, and today guys we are back with another video. What's poppin', y'all? So guys, today it is a beautiful day. Today is Friday, y'all, and the weather is weathering. It's cool outside, it's sunny, it's pretty. But anyways guys, Carissa's at school. I got Sabrina here.
Hey guys.
and guys, don't laugh. I still got the tree up, but it's gonna go down. Don't worry. Me and Sabrina gonna handle that.
Right.
I don't know how, but we just gonna handle it. But anyways, guys, so we are headed out. We're gonna do a little car shopping today. You know. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. If you guys are new to the channel, please do not forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Karissa and Sally's World, and hit that bell. Let go. All right, guys. So we made it to our destination. But guys, I pulled this out today. Sabrina told me to wear it. She's like, yeah, it's cute. We are at Hyundai, guys. I'm not the one car shopping today. Yeah, I know y'all probably thought I was gonna be at Mercedes, BMW, Range Rover, Audi, but one day, but not today.
See how she tried to use me, guys? Sorry.
But yeah, my boo need a car. So she liked the Hyundai Sonatas. That's what she wants to look at. So yeah, so we'll be back in a little bit. All right guys, so right now we are looking at the Sonata. Okay girl, you cute. So guys, this is really cute. Guys, she always ranking my Altima. Yes, I got the baby mama card. Don't do me. Well, the trunk is spacious. She always ranking my Nissan Altima. She hates it, but I think it's nice. But she doesn't like it. She likes this instead.
I do. I like the body. I don't really care for the inside.
I can't. It's cute. I like the screen. The screen is big.
Yeah. Well,
yeah, I like that. Yeah. All right, guys. So we're gonna see what they're saying, and then we'll be back. Okay, guys. So right now we're inside of a Elantra. At first she was looking at a Sonata. It's a cute little car, but she doesn't want the Elantra. She wants the Sonata.
I do.
And this one has like a whole digital dashboard, so that's cute. But yeah.
And the gray is not my color.
Oh yeah, the gray interior, yeah. So right now we're gonna go with the car sales lady. And she's gonna go put gas, and then Sabrina's gonna drive back. Cause the way you feel in the car when you drive it matters.
Yeah.
I definitely, like, that matters. It really does.
I like a car when I press the gas, it goes.
Yeah, because you a little Speedy Gonzalez.
No.
Okay, guys, so we'll be back. Hey, guys, so look who we picked up from school. Guess what, Karissa? I'm getting a new car.
Yay.
No, I'm serious. Me and Sabrina, we went to the car dealership today. Guess which one we went to? Guess.
I don't know.
That's why I said just guess, like say names.
Toyota.
Really? Which one?
I know you're not getting a car, so you don't want that.
She right. Dang, see my baby know. But guys, we are about to eat.
Mom, the funnel cake.
Well, we gotta get food first.
Oh, baby, no. The food takes time. So,
I'm done.
she right.
Really? Dog, let me tell you something about this one. She always taking up for Karissa. Always. She always on her side. I don't ever have nobody to back me up. Alright, y'all. So, but this not here right now. Alright, y'all. So, I'll see you guys later.
The next day.
What's poppin', y'all? So, guys, it is the next day. Guys, last night we had a good old time eating some good old food at the food truck. And here we go. We got Miss Karissa here putting on her lip gloss. That's not even your lip gloss. Ow! So, guys, we got Sabrina here. Guys, we are currently at the mall.
Try to be like me. Absolutely.
Oh, that's cute.
It smells good.
Sabrina had to exchange something really quick before the day ends. So we're gonna head on inside. I'm not really shopping or whatever.
I am. Let's go, guys.
No, she not.
Yes, I
but
am.
anyways.
Hey.
But anyways, guys.
This is my Christmas present.
That's not yours. Anyways, guys, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, guys, so we made it in. Guys, they about to open a Savage X 50 here.
Rihanna want lingerie, cut through.
Okay. What?
It closed early today. That's what happened.
Oh, but it's supposed to. Oh, I didn't even know that they had one in here.
Yeah. Galleria has a lot of stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like that. Oh, who I'm wearing this for? Oh. I'm just kidding. What? Hey,
I know we're not.
you better not, ma'am. So we made it to American Eagle. Look. Oh, these are cute.
Yeah. You want some Hollister?
Okay, guys, we'll be back. So y'all know Chris always got a finesse. And she done finesse me into getting these sandwiches. I'm gonna be stepping. She lucky they cute.
And then boom, she gonna ask you to go to Target just to get an outfit for it.
What? An outfit for some slides, girl. That's for inside the house. Come get your home, girl. Come get her. Watch out, there's people walking.
Wanna hear my feet? Ain't see my fresh white toes?
Girl.
Step.
Yes, child.
Screaming. This was mango bean first.
I know for a second, right?
I was looking in the store. I was like, the toast. It wasn't done.
Dang, Karissa, you heard what Sabrina said?
Girl,
Sabrina said that she was looking at your toes and she was like, dang, the toes not done.
That's why I didn't want to show it on camera. Listen, last time we came to the mall, we was looking dusty, crusty. I see you trying to put on for the next person.
You really?
Because this guy was asking us questions. He was looking good.
Who was asking us questions?
The guy at Fendi.
Oh.
She said, I'm never gonna make that mistake ever again.
It's true. We was inside the store. Bloody was like asking us questions like, oh, you know, I just want to ask.
Change my hair.
I just want to ask my black queens, like, you know, which hairstyle look better? He was like, oh, do we like the low boy or like the dreads? And we was like, dang, he was fine.
See, you know what I just realized?
He was fine, but I was looking a mess. So I was like, yeah, I'm never doing that again. What's so funny? No.
What?
Period.
Let's go.
Correct. Or we're not gonna make it the red circle. I'm like done.
Wait, I need some luggage.
Bye. Good night.
We gotta go inside Lush.
No. I don't even know what that is.
You know what that is?
No.
It's a bath bomb. Yeah. And baby, I had a time to in that.
Yeah, and no. Yeah, you're not gonna bathe in my tub again. This girl literally took over my bathroom last night.
Baby, that water was pink.
A mess.
It had so much fun.
So we have to go to Mark Jacob because Sabrina has to
And we still
exchange something else. We are gonna get Red Circle.
I'm excited to try Red Circle. They say it's bustin'.
It is there.
We about to see.
The churro is
And
fresh.
the vanilla hit different. It's not like a plain vanilla. It's like a vanilla with essence.
You know what? I'm done.
That's actually how it is.
Okay, so They didn't have Karissa size in the slide, so we just had to get it shipped. Karissa, I'm not playing with you.
I just got my sandals.
I'm not even gonna show you those shit. Hey.
They already know what I'm doing.
Alright, y'all, so we leaving Marc Jacob. Sabrina did what she had to do. And now we are
Purse I want.
leaving.
Mom, I want this purse.
What?
I want this big old purse right here.
Girl, get out of here. You can fit all the babies in
All
there.
the babies up in there. Wait, y'all, don't sleep on MCM now. You have
You know, I don't care. I don't care for MCM, but I do have a wallet. Lisa,
you have not.
Lisa bought me a wallet, which I do like the wallet that she got.
But
me.
you have not. You keep wearing this purse. You could have worn it with this outfit actually.
No, but the MCM is a wallet, like it's little.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys, we'll be back. Okay, guys, so I'm done with my little purchase, and look at Karissa over here flicking it up. Let me see. Oh, it's cute.
Yeah.
Okay. Save it. So I can put it on the story. Attack her.
Big bag for something. I'm not even gonna go there.
Come on, let's go.
This is Nenen's heaven.
I came here to spend $50. I don't know how to spend more than that. Look at this girl. Girl, let's go. Why you gotta be ratchet everywhere you go? Let's go. So now, guys, we are gonna leave and we are headed to Red Circle Ice Cream. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Look at them. Look at them. I can't.
She's getting heavy now.
She is heavy.
I can't. Okay, put this in. You put
Get off my bag. Okay, guys. Quick one of them. This is our hype man right here.
Yeah, guess who I met?
Oh gosh. She met these people.
I met these YouTubers. Y'all know. Emily Ears and Rich Boy Troy. I can't breathe.
Girl.
We'll include a photo for y'all. Yeah. But yeah, I met them and I'm actually happy. I was so scared to do it. And now I put myself in my fan's shoes. And baby, I was nervous. But me being a YouTuber, I'm like, oh my god, he's probably like, oh gosh, another one.
Yeah, because, you know, sometimes people want to take pictures and sometimes people don't. Yeah. You know, you have to be considerate sometimes. I always say yes. I never say no.
Right. Guess what? I'm like,
all right, y'all. We are headed to
Red Circle.
But if you guys see us, we are always more than happy to take pictures with y'all. You are more than welcome to ask for a photo. We have no issue with that. Absolutely. But sometimes I don't be camera ready. And even though I don't be camera ready, I still say yes. I never say no.
It's a one in a lifetime. That's why I take a picture with them. I don't know when I'm gonna see them again. They are big people, so why not?
I'm done. I didn't know who they were, but she knew. All right, guys. So we headed to Red Circle. We'll see you guys. Okay, guys. So we made it to Red Circle. I know this one happy. I've never ordered this one. I want to try this, but today I'm still gonna have the churro.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting. They have an Oreo cheesecake.
Oreo cheesecake. It might taste good.
It do look good.
Oh, sorry.
It looks like actual Oreo.
I'll show you what we got when we done. All right, guys. So we got our cookie butter frosting, churro. Sabrina got a churro daddy. And Karissa got Oreo cheesecake, ice cream, her churro. She going right in. I can't. So let's see. So I've never tried this before. So let's see what is. You like it? Try the churro.
It's cold. It's cold. It's hot.
All right, y'all. We'll be back. Let me tell y'all what Sabrina just did to me and Karissa. So y'all know the fart spray, right?
She's trying to make her hands
So we finished eating the ice cream, and then she's like, "Oh, you guys, you know, she want to go get napkins for us." And we cleaning our hands, we cleaning up the table. And then she like, oh, do y'all want some hand sanitizer? And you know, we like, yeah, okay.
No, because it's the fact that yesterday when she goes, she was like, yeah. And then, and it was very fine.
And the hand sanitizer was fine, so I wasn't gonna think anything of it.
It's because she know I love hand sanitizer.
Then we start rubbing our hands and like she like smiling. I'm like, what's so funny? And Karissa looking like,
I know, because I always smell my hands every time I put hand sanitizer. So I smelled it and I was like, it smells kind of funky, but I didn't say that. So then I smelled it again. I'm like, oof. And I'm like, the smell feels, it sounds familiar. It smells familiar. And I look at Sabrina, she laughed. I'm like, oh, okay.
Karissa like, wait a minute, is this a fart spray? She runs to wash her hands.
I dashed so bad. I walked in on a little boy.
And I was like,
and then I went to the other bathroom and I washed my hands 2 times. And it smells good as new.
And I'm like looking at her like,
no, you didn't.
I was like lost. I'm like, what?
And I'm over here searching Sabrina first to find a fart spray so I could throw it out.
But I knew to throw it out because I knew she was gonna come back and try to get me in some type of way or something.
I was gonna put it on your face.
See? She's crazy.
I'm done. Anyways, yeah, we headed back to the house. Sabrina,
don't start a prank war with me because
we didn't even prank you yet. And you okay, just for that. Okay, so y'all heard that? You see, she pranked us with the fart spray, and she think it's so funny.
Like, I will cut your hair in your sleep, like.
No, and this is why I locked the door. Thank you.
I'm screaming. Okay, guys, I'll see y'all at the crib. Hey, y'all. So, guys, we are back at home. We are getting ready for bed. I gotta go wash my face. I put on my pajamas, but I gotta go wash my face. Karissa is having a crisis with her nail. And this is why I told you, you don't need to be getting your nails done. And now, this is what is happening. Because you don't listen.
I'm getting short nails now. I ain't getting these. I'm not getting this.
One of her nails hurting her, y'all. Y'all know how that is.
I'm gonna try to do that.
That definitely be a struggle.
Oil or something to get the nail off.
Just leave it.
No, Mom, it's bad. Like, if I randomly hit it, then it's gonna fling off and it's gonna start bleeding. And,
I don't know if I had to show you guys my nails when I did them last week.
Here you go.
I had to like a orange and white. I don't know if I showed them, but yeah, these were my nails.
Wow.
Last week. I had to ask you because I just washed them.
Our nails ready for future.
Girl, I'm looking for her. Anyways, guys, Sabrina is upstairs in her room. She is going to bed.
And guess what I'm about to do?
What?
Shut up.
What is that? This girl is obsessed with the avatar. Girl,
you just love the logo. Wow.
oh, you're so weird. She's obsessed. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. But for real though, why didn't you believe me when I said that I was getting a new car?
Babe, I don't know what's in that account. Not too much.
Excuse me? What are you talking about?
That means like, I know we trying to save up right now, so
yeah, we are.
I know what's in your account. I know that we're saving up, so there is no time to buy a car. And if you would dare buy a car, I will be
without you.
I'm not even gonna say pissed, cause I'm gonna be mad because it's gonna be in my room before you even think about purchasing another vehicle.
I did say that. I'm not doing nothing else. The next project is Carissa's room.
Yeah.
That's my next project. But I don't know when I'm gonna start that project. But girl, bye. Anyways, guys, peace out. We love you guys. Please do not forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Karissa and Sally's World, and hit that bell. Peace out, y'all. I'm gonna see you.
I love Avatar.